Good evening and namaskar. Today we will review another reasonably good company, Balaji Amines Limited. We have seen Alkyl Amines Limited. It's a similar company, Balaji Amines, slightly different, with reference to its Q1 FY21 results. Balaji Amines Limited is engaged in the manufacture of methyl amines, ethyl amines, derivatives of special chemical and natural products. So they manufacture derivatives which are downstream products for various pharma, pesticide industries and some special user specific requirements. So many products are there: monoethylamine, diethylamine, triethylamine, so many. I'm not going to so many products. The management consists of A. Pratap Reddy, Executive Chairman, D. Ram Reddy, Managing Director, and N. Rajeshwar Reddy, Joint Managing Director. Now let's take a look at the Q1 results. Net sales in Q1 are 223 crores. Previous quarter Q4 258 crores and a year ago quarter 223 crores, approximately same as the latest quarter. Last year this quarter and this year this quarter both approximately same, flat. Year on year there is no change. But quarter on quarter there is a degrowth of 14%. 223 crores now and previous quarter 258 crores. Now let us look at the net profit. Net profit is 32 crores in the latest quarter and 29.56 crores in the previous quarter, say 30 crores, and 18.48 crores in year ago quarter. So year on year profits, net profits have improved by 71% year on year. Quarter on quarter normal 6.83% or 7%. So net profits have improved. That means profit margins have improved. Equity share capital is 6.48 crores. Basic EPS is 10.17. Here also year on year growth is 78%. Quarter on quarter growth is about 7%. Market price is around 809 rupees. Price earning is around 20. Price earning 20, a little high, but it's okay. There is scope for price improvement. Volumes are reasonably good, 66,000. So buying, selling is easy. 52-week low is 204. 52-week high is 995. Current price is 809. So it is somewhat nearer to 52-week high. Market depth, if you see, buys are double the sells. So reasonably good. So there is price pressure. Price can increase like that in course of time. I don't know about today. Now let us also take a look at the 5-year performance. In the last 5 years, March 2016, sales were 643. From there, from 643 crores, 670 crores, 863 crores, 940 crores, now 935 crores. There is a gradual growth in the last 2 years, from 643 crores to 940 crores. Net profit has grown from 57 crores to 82 crores to 113 crores, 117 crores, 97 crores. So from 57 crores it has grown to 97 crores, but previous 2 years were higher at 117 and 113. Net profits have grown anyway. So previous 5 years sales have grown reasonably. Net profit also has grown reasonably. Now if we look at per share ratios, basic EPS has grown from 17.78 to 32.34 in the last 5 years. Book value has grown from 86 to 206. Dividend per share has grown from 2 rupees to 3.2. Face value is 2 rupees. Now gross profit margin is almost flat, 20. Operating profit margin same, flat around 17. Net profit margin has grown from 9% to 10%. Not great. So margins are approximately the same. This year, this latest quarter, it has the net profit margin seems to have grown. Then return on net worth has fallen from 20.56 to 14.8. ROCE has fallen from 14.8 to ROCE, return on capital, has improved. Return on net worth has decreased, but return on capital employed has grown from 14.8 to 18.16. Return on assets is slightly down from 9.58 to 8.75. Now, interest coverage ratio is 6.69, debt equity ratio is 0.37. Then valuation ratios are okay, reasonable, have fallen actually. Price equity ratio has fallen from 10.93 to 6.09. Price to book 2 to 1.24. Now, 3-year CAGR sales percentage is 3.16 in March 20 year. 3-year CAGR net profit is 0.25%. Not very great, but okay. Now, if you look at the historical prices, 3 years before the price was 330, now 815 and odd, so 147%. In 5 years, it has more than doubled. In 2 years, earlier before 2 years, price was 490, now 815 and odd, 66% growth is there. In 1 year, before 1 year, the price was 354, 355, something like that. Now 800 and odd, therefore 129. In the last 1 year, it has become a multi-bagger. In 3 months, from 529 to 815, 54% growth is there in price. Price has been growing. In the latest 6 months, its price has grown. Now, dividend, if you look at that, dividend payment is 160%. So, 5 years dividends consistently being paid. Now, shareholding, if you look at that, promoters hold 53.7%, pledge is nil. So, promoters are also increasing the shareholding. Net profit and net profit margin have improved quarter on quarter. Company with low debt. Profits are slowly increasing. Book value is increasing. Promoters pledge is zero. FIs are increasing their shareholding. ROC is declining. ROE is declining. ROA has been declining. Cash flows are not commensurate. Like that. Now, if you look at the charts, in 5 years, in the 5th year, January 2016, it was a very low point. From then August 2011, August, higher low point. So it has gone, it has come down like this. Then 2018 January high point, slightly like this, it has gone up. So then August 2019 a low point, March 2020 another low point. So after March, that is after April, the curve has been going upwards. So 6 months is an upward curve, 3 months also, from August it is an upward curve, 1 month slightly up, down, etc. So there has been reasonable growth in the last 1 year. Monthly technical rating is bullish. Market cap is 2,640 crores. Price earning as of last year is 20.53. Book value is 206. Dividend percentage is 160%. Industry price earning is higher at 33.65. Trailing 12 months EPS is 39.64. Price to book is 3.96. Dividend yield is 0.39. So Balaji Amines has the potential. First quarter, COVID quarter, see a lot of problems were there. So its performance was slightly below par. Now Q2 can be better. Let us look at Q2 results. Then let us take our decisions. Don't depend on Q1 results to assess the strength of Balaji Mines. Basically, it is good. It has got potential. We have seen that. Net profits have been growing in the last 5 years. Dividend payment is consistent. So some good things are there. Products are good. Products have got potential. Let us see. I will be back with you with another good share. Thank you.